Today I am reviewing the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ryzen 7 7800X 3D belongs to AMD's Ryzen 7000 series, built on the cutting-edge 5nm process technology. This means it packs incredible performance and efficiency into a compact, modern chip designed for today's demanding workloads. It features 8 high-performance cores and 16 threads, making it a true multitasking powerhouse that can handle everything from heavy gaming and video editing to software development and streaming simultaneously without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the 7800X 3D is its revolutionary 3D V-cache technology, which dramatically boosts cache size by stacking additional memory on top of the CPU cores. This design gives it a massive 96 megabytes of L3 cache, paired with 8 megabytes of L2 cache, improving data access speeds and reducing latency. The result? Exceptional performance gains in gaming and other cache-sensitive applications that translates into higher frame rates and smoother gameplay. The base clock speed of the CPU is 4.2 GHz, which already offers solid performance out of the box. But it can boost even higher, adapting dynamically to your workload demands to provide maximum speed exactly when you need it. With a max operating temperature around 89 degrees Celsius, the 7800X 3D is designed to maintain stable performance under heavy load without overheating. Another important aspect is its compatibility with the latest socket AM5 motherboards. This ensures support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, meaning you can pair this processor with the newest generation of high-speed components to future-proof your PC build. Whether you're upgrading or building a new rig, this CPU offers great versatility. Additionally, the processor comes equipped with AMD Radeon graphics integrated, which is excellent for basic tasks and light gaming if you don't have a dedicated GPU at hand. While serious gamers will likely use a powerful discrete graphics card, having integrated graphics offers useful backup functionality for troubleshooting or everyday use. Performance-wise, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D excels in both single-threaded and multi-threaded tasks, making it a top choice not only for gamers, but also for content creators, engineers, and power users. Thanks to the large cache and high clock speeds, many popular games see noticeable frame rate improvements compared to previous generations. It also shines in video rendering, 3D modeling, and heavy multitasking environments. Thermally, the processor is efficient, but pairing it with a good cooling solution is recommended to sustain peak performance. Many users opt for high-quality air coolers or liquid cooling to keep temperatures in check, especially during extended gaming sessions or intensive workloads. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is a stellar processor that delivers exceptional gaming and productivity performance. Its advanced 3D V-cache technology, high clock speeds, and modern architecture make it one of the best choices on the market for anyone looking to build a powerful, future-ready PC in 2025. If you want a CPU that offers a fantastic balance of power, efficiency, and innovative features, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is definitely worth considering. It's highly rated by users and experts alike, and it sits comfortably as the #1 best-selling processor in its category. Thanks for watching this detailed review. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.